Just like anything in life, your results will reflect the amount of time, effort, and devotion you have made into learning the digital marketing landscape. Anybody can improve and broaden their digital marketing knowledge and skill set, and you can start doing that today, from small business owners to medium and large-scale operations. Having a wider understanding of digital marketing can only enhance your business or brand. It can also enhance you as a person and potentially help you have a competitive edge over your competition. If you're just starting on your journey, it's recommended to take a look at all the different types of digital marketing mentioned in Part 1. You should start by learning and gaining experience with one discipline. As you progress, you'll find your skills become transferable, making other methods of digital marketing much easier to learn. For people with no experience, a good place to start is either with video marketing on web platforms such as YouTube or blogging. As these two methods have low entry levels, you can practice and shape your skills more easily. Starting a YouTube channel has never been easier. Nearly everybody has access to a camcorder or a high-level quality camera on their smartphones. Simply start by talking or highlighting something you're interested in. This could be anything from sports, hobbies, cars to hair and beauty. You'll quickly find out that after your friends and family have watched the video, it can be a challenge to get regular views from people you don't know. However, if you want to excel in digital marketing, this is where the fun really begins. YouTube can be excellent for beginners, as you learn a wide range of skills from creating and editing videos, a basic introduction to writing a video headline to catch your audience's attention, content writing in the video description, and more. While this may seem like a small step, some of these skills can actually be fantastic for other methods of digital marketing, such as content writing, display advertising, and search engine optimization. Speaking about content writing, you may opt for starting your own blog. Blogging can be great if you're full of knowledge about a certain subject and would like the world to know about it. For digital marketing, blogging can be great for learning content marketing skills, social media promotion, search engine optimization, and to build a loyal audience. Many popular blogs even add additional elements such as affiliate marketing and email marketing. As you can see from a small beginning, other parts of digital marketing simply add on to your project. If you've decided that digital marketing is something you want to study, you should attempt to have a planned strategy and a realistic time frame of how you want to learn. Some people may only devote a couple of hours per week to learning, while others may be able to devote more time. The choice is obviously up to you. It can be a good idea to pick one day or one night per week to study, just like you would if you were learning at a local school or college. This gets your brain used to learning on a particular day, meaning you get into a regular routine. For example, you may decide to learn every Wednesday night. Equally, if you have more time to devote to studying, you may select 2 or 3 nights per week. The key is to not cause mental fatigue by attempting to study too much in a short frame of time. It's important to remember that small steps eventually equal large steps, so there's nothing wrong in taking your time and learning at your own pace. As technology continues to develop at a fast pace, digital marketing looks to have a bright future against other professions and sectors. Just think over the past decade or so, we've seen the introduction of smartphones, handheld tablets, virtual reality headsets, smart technology throughout our homes, and more. This trend for new technology doesn't look like it's going to diminish anytime soon, and with this opens multiple new avenues for marketing.